Hey, so today in this video, I will be showing you how you can have gradient text in Systeme.io, whether it's a sales page or a lead magnet, whatever you're designing. If you want to add a gradient text to uplift your design or to make them, more beautiful, you can follow these steps. So number one is you will go into the editor and type your text. Here we are taking this get your free guide here as an example. Then the second step is you will go into this website, that is cssportal.com, https://www.cssportal.com. And here, if you come onto the home page, you will see this CSS generators, and you will come down and you will see text gradient generators. Click here and you will see that to begin with, they already have a gradient that is blue moving towards red. But if you want to choose any other gradient, like suppose if I want to start my gradient with some green, and then to pink, I want to change it to some pink. Then my CSS code is this. And if you want to play around with the orientation, you can make the changes here and, top left, top right, you can choose whatever you want to choose. And then accordingly, the CSS code will change. So this is the code that we will be actually adding into the Systeme.io editor to change this text into green to pink. That's what we have chosen right now for this example, right? So we will come back to the editor and we will come here in this page settings. And we will come down and here we can see that there is edit footer code. So click here and type STIL. So this will come automatically. It will prompt itself and then close, and then the entire style tag is here. And then you will come back to this website, CSS portal, copy paste this CSS code and add in between. And you will also add the brackets. And then save it. Okay. Now we will come back to this text and we'll click on the settings. On the left, we will see that they have this ID attribute. This is very specific to this particular text only. And we will copy paste this and come back to the page settings where we have just added that style tag, and come to edit footer code. And we will add this and with a hashtag. Okay. And then save it. So in this editor, you will not see the changes in the editor, but you will first make the changes, save the changes, and then you will preview this page and see that the gradient is active now, right? So we had chosen this only from green to pink. So this is how you will get the gradient in Systeme.io account. And let me know if you have any questions or something is not clear to you. Thanks for watching.